Hi, this is Lion King CMSL. As you can see, I've got a AnyCubic Mega Zero 2.0 3D printer. It's my first 3D printer. I have problems getting it, but that's not the reason for this video. I just want to say this printer is very easy to assemble, very easy to set up, and for the money, it's a very good entry-level printer as far as I'm concerned. This is my first time into 3D printing. I started printing the valve, and a slight problem here. For some reason, it became detached from the print bed. I don't know why. But looking at the quality for what was printed is excellent. Definitely recommend the AnyCubic Mega Zero 2.0 for anybody who is getting into 3D printing. This is Lion King CMSL. You guys have a good day. Stay safe. Be well. Bye.